Hello, painting thieves, and welcome. It's Kathleen from COZ Creations. Welcome to the No Bra Zone, guys. I'm excited. I am jumping on the bloom train. I have been admiring some very talented artists out there who have done some beautiful blooms. And, I guess it was about a year ago that the Shelee art course aired, and Rick and I were traveling from Hilton Head to Virginia to see my girls, and I was lucky enough to jump on there, buy it for the deal of $99 or whatever it was, and I had 9 hours of Rick driving, and I stuck my earbuds in and I watched this thing, and I thought to myself, wow, how cool. She put a lot of work into it to come up with a very cool technique. And then sweet Karen Durson from Waterfall Acrylics called me up and FaceTimed me and tried to give me a little class in it. And unfortunately, it didn't work out real well because I did not have all the proper material. And I thank you for that, Karen. So I figured, what the heck, let's give this another go, because look at what I got in the mail. Oh my goodness. Happy as can be to give this a go, but a little disappointed in how little this guy is. I expected a big bottle, and he took a long time to get here, so I'm grateful for him, and I'm going to do my best to make this long-awaited Floetrol from Australia proud of me. So what we got going on here is a reuse canvas. I got some beautiful dome canvases a few weeks back. I think it was Jerry's Artorama, and I thought, one of the things I love the best about the bloom is the way the roll-off and the stretch cells look. So I figured, what the heck, this would be the perfect thing to do it on. Now, I do not have white house paint, so my base coat is going to be my Artist Loft Black mixed with Floetrol and GAC 800, but I mixed it a little bit thicker than I generally do. So it kind of leaves, as Sweet Mina would say, not a mound on a mound on a mound, but a blob on a blob on a blob. Because I know that the pillow paint needs to be a little bit thicker. Now, my pouring medium, I went with Karen's recipe. My pouring medium is the Sherwin-Williams High Gloss Ultra Deep Base Un-tinted paint and unshaken. She said, don't have the people at Lowe's or Home Depot or wherever I got this shake it up. So this stuff is like maple syrup, guys. And I mixed it with, I forget what my ratio was. I think it was 2-part paint to 1 part of the Josonja gloss varnish. There's a lot of different recipes out there, guys. A lot of good, talented people. Karen from Waterfall Acrylics, Jenn, Neil. A lot of people out there have done some beautiful blooms. So you know what? I wanted to just give it a try and see how it works out. So base coat is going to be black. Our cell activator is going to be Amsterdam Titanium White mixed with this golden Australian Floetrol that everybody is raving about. Now, I used Karen's recipe for that. It was 1 part paint to 4 parts of the Floetrol. And Karen, I hope I got that right. Our colors, which are mixed with our pouring medium, which is the Sherwin-Williams High Gloss Un-tinted Unmixed Paint with the Josonja Gloss varnish. I'm sorry guys, this is all new to me. It's not second nature, so I can't just spit it all out to you. I have to think about everything that I did. So that's our cell activator. This yummy color right here mixed with our pouring medium is golden iridescent copper, because coppers are my jam. This yummy color right here is the last of my Sweet Gail's Art Minds Mysterious, but I'm going to mix them up using her recipe, which is supposed to be absolutely incredible. And I put a couple of drops of my golden turquoise in there because I love this paint. And then this yummy cup right here, we have Sargent's Art Liquid Metals, and this is the Aztec Gold. Julie Vatcher from Julie Vatcher's Art turned me on to this, and this is a really, really pretty gold, guys, and it's cost effective, not too expensive. So I don't know what I'm going to do. I love my negative space, so I'm thinking of leaving a lot of negative space, do my bloom, and then kind of decide after that. So you guys are here doing it with me for the first time, and I'm excited. Let's fingers crossed that it works out really well, guys. I'm going to put some tunes on for you and some tunes on for me so I can concentrate on what I'm doing. Thanks for joining me here, guys. Let's get busy.
You should have seen it come. You acted numb, don't deny. You are like a moth to the flame. When you get that feeling, they can be deceiving. Tell it like it is, 'cause I need to know you were playing with fire. Can't you see? You better take it easy, let it go, 'cause you should have known better. You should have known better. Your hands are full of matches, and you just can't seem to let them go. And when the fire catches, you'll be on your Ooh, yeah, yeah. Tell it like it is, 'cause I need to know you were playing with fire. Can't you see? You better take it easy, let it go, 'cause you should have known better. You should have known better. Tell it like it is, 'cause I need to know you were playing with fire. Can't you see? You better take it easy, let it go, 'cause you should have known better. You should have known better. Should have known better. You should have known better. Should have known better. You should have known better. A million people in the crowd, but I only see your face in all the lights. And as the bass keep pounding on me, baby, I really wanna make you mine. care about love. I don't really care about happy ever afters. Something about you gives me hope. Something about you, yeah. When the sun goes down and the night sky's falling, do you believe in one-time lovers? 'Cause deep inside of my wildest dreams, you'll be by my side. When the sun goes city dancing through the night, but I'm not there. You've got me soaring in the clouds, and as the ocean is surrounding me, baby, I'm sure we lost track of time. I don't really care about love. I don't really care about happy ever afters. Something about you gives me hope. Something about you, yeah. When the sun goes down and the night sky's falling, do you believe in one-time lovers? 'Cause deep inside of my wildest dreams, you'll be by my side. When the sun goes down. It's done, all done. Time flies, I know that's for sure. Yeah. You're gone, you're gone. I'm not your prisoner in your cold war anymore. Oh no. But I have a feeling that we never really move on from our past. Sometimes I just wanna go back, try to make it all undone, so it didn't have to hurt this bad. Don't say goodbye, don't do this now. Don't go, don't go, don't go. You should know why. My Gemini, my love, my love, my love. You found, you lost. Told me I was everything you wanted, and now I'm haunted. Your ghost is all I see. Is that you now? Try to reconnect, but what do you want? You never seem to know.
Well, guys, you gotta admit, that's pretty cool. I mean, I didn't get the blowing thing down very well with the puddle pour. I don't know if my cell activator was too thin. I think maybe it was. I don't know. I got to do some more research, watch some of Karen and Jenn's videos a little bit more. But this is pretty damn cool. lots of potential to do some cool stuff with. And you know, this was my first attempt, well actually my second. The first time I did it, I didn't have everything that I needed, but the effects through here are pretty cool. I don't think I had enough pillow paint because I really had to drag it down, and I would have liked to have seen some bigger cells through this. But you know what? I will give it another go. I've got some leftover paint here, and we will see how this dries. And pretty cool. There's something between, there's a love relationship, I think, between this Amsterdam Titanium White and this Australian Floetrol. These two belong together. The next one I will do with a black cell activator and maybe on a white base coat. I have a couple more of these canvases, and I don't think it was smart of me to do my first bloom on an arced canvas like this, because it was a bit of a challenge getting it over the edge, but the edges look pretty darn cool. I don't know if you can see that. I mean, even this side over here is, it's a pretty cool effect, and I need to think about cool ways to do cool things with this, because my mind is spinning right now. But a shout out and respect to those of you who have gotten this down. It's not that easy. A lot of it has to do with the blowing and the proper thicknesses. So I will do some more research. I hope you all don't mind me sharing my experience here with you. Hope that you learn as well as I do. So thanks, guys, for hanging out with me, and it was fun jumping on that bloom train. I'm digging it, guys. Hope you have a great evening. Stay well, stay happy. I'll miss you till I see you guys again. Bye now.